Hello everyone and welcome back to another LMS creation videos. So in the previous videos of mine you must have learned all about how to create the pages and the courses and all the elements which we need to put in the courses. How is it done? Now in this video of ours we would be seeing how if you want to sell a course of ours, whatever we have prepared here, with the help of WooCommerce, then how we can do that. Now, in order to sell a course with the help of WooCommerce, there has to be certain settings to be done in the courses. Post that, we can sell the courses with the help of our WooCommerce. Now, why we generally used to sell these courses from WooCommerce? Because LMS, this LearnDesk LMS generally comes with the one payment gateway only, that is which we sometimes find little tough in installing, as well as getting those stuff done. So PayPal generally accepts international payment only, and in order to make it work for the Indian payment gateway, there is sometimes it even creates an issue. So, or you might be having some other payment gateway through which you want to receive the money. So in order to achieve those kind of settings, we generally use the WooCommerce as one of the way to sell the products. Now, in order to sell the products through WooCommerce, first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the product setting. Suppose website planning creation. So right now I am already selling this course with the help of WooCommerce. So what we can do is we can just simply go to the course website planning and creation. When we'll edit it, then we need to go to the setting section, that is from where we have selected the price and everything, right? So we'll just go to the product. Right, as you can see, the course builder setting and group is appearing. So we need to go to the setting section of the course that we want to sell it through WooCommerce. Now when we are going into setting, make sure that the access mode is to closed. We need to make the access option to closed, that is this course can't be purchased with the help of our the LearnDesk LMS. Now post that, you just need to mention the price in which you want to sell the course. The button URL is something that is going to come later on when we would be having the final URL where we want them to get redirected after clicking on the buy button. Now once it is being done, let's go back to the main dashboard and select the WooCommerce. Now we need to go to the products, and in products we need to add new product with the same name. That is, if I'm trying to sell website planning and creation, so I've created the same product as you can see in front of me now. Now you just need to make a new product, just like I've created this new product, and when you would be trying to make a new product, you'd be having an option, new option right now in the drop down, like you might have seen in the earlier videos of mine regarding the different kind of product, that is simple, external, group, variable. But now in this WooCommerce of mine, when I'm having the LearnDesk LMS installed, I would be having a new option, that is courses. So what I need to do is I need to just name the course, give a small brief introduction, right? Select the data type or the product type as course, the pricing whatever you want, and from here you can search the LearnDesk course, whichever course you want to associate with this, and done. Nothing else. And just like a simple product, like how we make a simple product, just giving a small brief introduction and description, that is to be done. Apart from this, nothing is to be done if you want to sell a course with the help of WooCommerce. If you want to see from the scratch, I'll try to make a new one so that you understand how I have done this thing. So suppose this is the sample course, right? So I would be writing here sample text. Right, quite a few times I've written. Now you can see by default the simple product is selected. Now I need to drop down and make it courses. Now you can see the options which was appearing on the left hand side has just disappeared. I'll again show you. When a simple product, you can see so many options was appearing, but moment I made it course, you can see the options disappeared. Now just need to mention the selling price, the price in which what is the MRP, and it is the price in which I am trying to sell, right? After that you just need to just click out here. You will get all the courses that you have created. So from here, suppose I want to sell Introduction to Digital Marketing. Write a small bullet points of the course out here and set the featured image, and if you want to add some categories to this, just categories and publish it. Moment you will publish it, it will be appearing in your shop page. So just let's have a look how does it appear when a new visitor is coming down to my website. So I'll just open a window in incognito mode. Right, so now I'll try to just open my website, and as I'm not logged in incognito mode, so I would be like a new user. So if a new user is coming and scrolling down, and suppose he wants to take a website planning and creation course, so I've selected this one. Now you can see the image is coming with the price, and the take the course option is also coming, and all the points which are present inside the website planning creation course is appearing in front of us. Now suppose I want to take this course, I'll simply click on this take the course, and I am getting redirected here. Now this page where I am getting redirected has to be entered in the product page. Like when I was making the product page, I have shown you one of the URL that I have left blank. Now when you publish the course, when we publish the course, so let me pick the one product this I have actually built. Let me move this trash into trash, this sample course. So I have created the website one. So just let me have a view. So when you will publish this course, just open the website or open the product in new tab, right? So when this is opening a new tab, you just need to simply copy the URL of this one, right? So I have copied the URL of this product or this page wherever this product of mine is appearing. I'll go back to my dashboard. I'll go to the course and website planning and creation. I'll edit it. I'll be going to setting tab. And in setting, when I made the course closed, this is the button URL. So out here I need to just mention the product page URL where that product of mine is appearing. So that moment anyone will click on the product of mine or on the course of mine, they would be redirected to the given URL. So this is how we can sell LMS, that is Learn Dash course, with the help of WooCommerce. Now if we are having some other payment gateway, we just simply need to go to the WooCommerce setting tab, and we need to add that payment gateway through which we are working. So right now I am working with along with PayPal, I am also even working with InstaMojo, right? So what happens with InstaMojo, this is straight away connected with my bank account, and I can straight away receive the payment. Now in order to have the InstaMojo linked, it's very simple. You just need to make an account on InstaMojo and provide few of the credentials to the InstaMojo account so that your account becomes activated, right? And once your account is active, you just need to install a small plugin, that is InstaMojo for WooCommerce. Moment you will install the InstaMojo for WooCommerce in the WooCommerce setting tab, that is under WooCommerce in the setting tab, your InstaMojo option will appear. You just need to go to the payment section and select InstaMojo. I'm sorry, I just skipped it. Right, in the payment section, the InstaMojo will appear. We just need to make it active. So what will happen? Suppose if anyone is trying to take this course, so I'll just show you the process what happens. So when anyone is coming down here and trying to take the course, it will get me redirected towards a page where the product has been added to cart. I'll just view the cart, and if there is any coupon code, I can apply the coupon code, or if there is no coupon code, I'll simply proceed to checkout. And you can see the InstaMojo is appearing out here. I can just fill the details, or the people can fill the details and post that. The total is appearing. I'll just click on I agree and proceed or place the order. So this is how very easily we can sell the course with the help of WooCommerce and with the help of InstaMojo payment gateway. So I'm sure you all have learned completely how to make a LMS website with the help of LearnDash. Not only an LMS website, but also how to create the courses, how to upload the contents inside the courses, and also design the website very efficiently. This was the last part of your LMS building. If there is any query or any doubt of yours, feel free to get in touch with me. My email ID must be reflecting at the bottom of the video right now. You can drop me an email so that if there is any query, I'll be getting back to you all. Thank you so much for taking up this course, and keep learning. Thank you.